Hey guys, welcome back to Rocky Ridge Auto. My name is Travis, and today we're going to go over a couple winter car care tips to keep you safe on the road during these extreme temperatures. So number one, let your car warm up for 10 to 15 minutes because this allows engine oil to circulate and reach proper temperature, which over time helps to minimize wear and tear on your engine. Number two, keep your fuel level above a quarter tank. Not only does this prevent you from being stranded from running out of fuel in cold weather, but many cars with remote start feature will not start if the fuel level is too low. Regularly check your air pressures in your tires. When it gets cold, air condenses, causing lower air pressure in tires. Many times this will cause your tire pressure warning light to come on, which is a little parentheses with exclamation point. It is an indicator that maybe you need to take a look and put some more air in your tires. Number four, have your service center check the temperature that your antifreeze is ready for.
It's about -17.
Most cars we service, we like to see an antifreeze rating of around -35. This means that your car could fully perform well up to a temperature of -35. It's also a good idea to check the level of antifreeze in your coolant recovery container on a weekly basis. Number five, make sure your washer fluid is full. This is the time of year when washer fluid gets used regularly due to the salt cinders on the roads. Number six, keep an emergency kit in your car. Emergency kit should have jumper cables or a battery jump starter. There are many affordable options available for around $50. Today's jump starters. Not only can you use them to jump start your car, you can also charge your phone, and many have a built-in flashlight and other things to keep in your car just for emergency purposes. Other things in your emergency kit could include snacks, a blanket, a pair of warm gloves, and that's it. These are just a couple helpful tips. Stay safe out there.